Okay folks, now I'm going to show you how to set up the recipe box pages with the templates that we just installed. And so I have our recipe box registration page here and the login page. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new recipe box menu item over here to show you the procedure that I've done to set this one up so I can compare one to the other. So I'll go to pages, add new. I'll call this recipe box new, and we will just use the standard editor for this. What we have to do now, we need to go into WordPress Recipe Maker settings. Oh, sure, stay on page. Need to save that. Go to the settings, and we need to go to our recipe collections, and there it is. To display the recipe box like this in the page, we need to put that shortcode into the page. So it'll be like that. We're going to copy that, and remember that the access to recipe collections is set to logged in users only. So if somebody's not logged in and they visit that page, they're going to get the no access message that I set there in a previous tutorial. Okay, so I've copied this shortcode like that. I want to go back to all pages. I call this recipe box new, and I need the shortcode block update. And when I visit this page, there we go. Oh, the shortcode is incorrect. It wasn't copy and pasted correctly. There's a bracket missing there. So, and there we have it. It's displaying now. So we have recipe box meal planner, and what I want to do now is go to the page, because I need to change the template. Recipe box new. I'm in the wrong place. We need to go into Genesis settings. That's actually interesting that it's not the page template there. You get mixed up with that very easily. We need to go into the Genesis settings, and we need to go to full width content down there, update, and that'll be the full width now, like that. So there's our old one, and now we have the new one. And I talked about personalization in a previous video. You will see that this part here with my name is not in the new one, because I haven't set up the account personalization. So I just want to add this page to the menus, recipe box new, and it means that I can go from one to other to show the difference. Recipe box new, there it is, your collections, and the old one, recipe box meal planner. So the width is a bit different, isn't it? It is, yeah. The padding on the page is different, is what that is. Okay, so we'll get started in the next video on the other pages. We've still to do the login page and the registration page and the landing page. I'm going to split these into individual videos, because it's easier then for people to look back and to get reference if they're stuck on one of the pages, rather than having to go through longer videos. Okay folks, so see you in the next video.